Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS launcher and download this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select while using and allow in all pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, select Apps section, click on Default Apps, and tap on Home app. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, click on it, click Got it. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into exactly the same settings and click on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!